In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a channel from your bookmarks in Slack. This can be particularly helpful if you want to declutter your workspace and focus on the channels that are most important to you. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to access your Slack dashboard, which is your main hub where all your channels reside. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the list of channels. Here, you'll be able to see all the conversations and groups that are part of your Slack workspace. Choose the specific channel that you wish to remove from your bookmarks. You can do this simply by scanning the list and selecting it. After selecting the channel, you'll need to right-click on it. This action will open a context menu with various options. Among these, look for View Channel Details. This option is crucial as it gives you a broader view of everything that's going on in that particular channel, exposing more settings and options. Now, once you're in the channel details, the next step is to find and click on Highlight. This is essential because it distinguishes the channel as something marked or saved for easy access. If your aim is to merely stop highlighting it as a favorite, this step is what helps you achieve that. Moving forward, if the channel is part of your starred channels, you'll need to click Starred to remove it. This will immediately unmark the channel from being starred, thus taking it off your favorite list. If your goal is to fully remove this channel, you'll need to go a bit further. Look for the Settings option within the channel details. Clicking this will bring up more in-depth settings about the channel, including administrative actions you can take. To completely delete a channel, which is different from just unbookmarking it, you'll need to click on Delete this channel. This is a significant step as it means all contents of the channel will be removed, so be sure that's really your intention. Before finalizing this action, a prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Here, you'll want to check Yes to indicate you're sure about deleting the channel. Then click on Delete Channel to complete the process. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you successfully declutter your Slack workspace by removing channels from your bookmarks or completely deleting them. Remember that organizing your workspace to suit your workflow can make communication much more streamlined and effective. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment with any questions or suggestions you might have, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.